Here is Jack's Volcano. Stuffing in the baking soda. We're thinking maybe about 4 spoons of that. We'll get about halfway to fill up that tube. And then after that,
Yeah, maybe like 3.
you're gonna put the red dye in after the powder, is what you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, you think 3 has it? If I say let's try just halfway because you want enough room for the vinegar. This is the set got for Christmas, the Smithsonian Magic Science Lab.
Alright.
Okay, now you ready for the fun part?
Yeah.
The vinegar.
How much vinegar should we do?
I say slowly, but make it try to get right to the top, and then we'll see what happens. All right, here we go. It should happen pretty quickly once it goes in.
It only went off. It's definitely pink.
You can try to put a little bit more vinegar in there and see what happens. Or, yeah, either or.
I think vinegar, yeah.
Ooh, there you go. Cool. Success.